Welcome back to the channel, Pitbull's Garage. Today, you see, we go ahead and install, or like the title says, we're gonna hook up the subs and amp and the old money. So, excuse the mess in the trunk, but we're gonna squeeze them sub box in there, and this is all just stuff I just had laying around. It's a factory radio. I gotta put that back in to get my tire light to come off. But yeah, basically simple. When you hook an amp up, you got remote wire, the jacks for the amp, the speaker, whatever. I can't think of the name of what's that called. We hook this back of the radio to the amp. The RC jacks. Power wire. Here's a ground. And here's some speaker wire. So we go ahead and get that cracking, and it's just stuff I had laid around for free, so better hook it up than and not just sitting around just sitting there in the way. So go ahead, let's get to it. All right, I don't know if you guys can see that, but I got the power wire ran. I ended up just running from the driver's side. I couldn't find no spot on the passenger side with all the HVAC stuff in the way up. Literally searched for hours. Wasted a whole bunch of daylight. So what I'm gonna do is probably run this wire all the way over there and just go in the morning and get some more wire so I can run a fuse in between. I'm just gonna put the fuse up there just because I'm trying to, like I said, it's a budget build. I ain't trying to do all the extra, and that way I can run the wire the right way and zip tie it off, make it look neat, or tuck it and not just have it. I'm probably just gonna run it across here just to test it tonight, and then like I said, in the morning I'm gonna get another piece longer wire just so I can run it, and I'm gonna have the fuse up here. And of course, you know that goes to your positive, but you don't hook nothing up until your grounds and your speaker and everything else. That's the last thing you're gonna do is hook this power up. It's just the longest wire you gotta run. You know, you can see I got the trim up. Oops. Oh man, dropped my flashlight. See, underneath your power wire, I'm gonna tuck all that underneath the carpet and put this trim piece back. Then we're gonna pop this back seat and run it all, have it come up behind the back seat. So go ahead and tuck all this. Where you see that wire is gonna be tucked underneath this panel. So you're gonna do that with your jacks, speaker jacks, and your remote wire. But I'll show you where to hook the remote wire when we get to that. All right, guys. So you got the jacks hooked up. You want to hook those up. If you're hooking the subs up to the subwoofer spot, oops, I'll drop this. And then you want to look for the remote wire. It should be wired, and then you just wire the remote wire up, so just when this kicks on, or when you turn the car on, then you have power to the amp. So you just find that wired in, and then just tuck them all back under there. I'm gonna skip that part. It's just tucking wires, pretty much it. Just put it behind that radio, go down behind the console, go underneath carpet like you saw I did the power wire. And then just run it to the back of the trunk. So as you can see by the daylight, it's the next day. I ended up just running, like I said, the power wire through the driver's side. And don't pay attention to that, I lost my cap, so I gotta go tomorrow to the audio shop because it's Sunday and get another cap. I don't know where it went. It fell down. I searched this whole engine bay for a whole hour, so it'll pop up a day like between somewhere where I don't need it. So I ran it just to power to the alternator. I ran it down, and like I said, it ran through here underneath the carpet. That's the remote wire. I still gotta tuck that back up in there and put this trim piece. But I ran all the cables, the jacks, RC jacks. You see it in the bass knob all the way back to right underneath there. Sorry, the car is a mess. I've just been working out of it for the past month. It's just been a nice little gas saver, if you guys didn't know. So I got tools all in the trunk. But you see the amp back there? There's my drill. Need to get that out. But yeah, I just ran everything up behind, between underneath the back seat around to the side. As you can see, I still got to mount the amp. Just some old punches. I'm gonna go ahead and turn it on. I do not own the rights to this song, so we're probably gonna get a copyright ban. But this is just for testing purposes only.
Do it for Doda, she know the straight, nigga. I do it for Zayda, she know the straight, nigga. I'm at your neck, one of them niggas you gotta respect. When I got an M, they gave me a problem with clearing the check, nigga. Show him the hand, I'm staring the vet. Show him the hand, I'm staring the vet. Yeah, I'm at your neck, one of them niggas you gotta respect. You talk out of turn, dip in the bag, you gotta get checked, Ain't no I'm a threat, like what you expect, I'm here for the check. When I got an M, they gave me a problem with clearing the check. Show him the hand, I'm staring the vet. Told little baby I'm there in a minute. We shoot the shit to the very engine. You see the pain, you stare at the killer. Carry my niggas and show them away. I need a credit, I'm throwing away. Say that he with it, I'm knowing he ain't. Say that he with it, I'm knowing he ain't. Do it for Doda, she know this straight, nigga. Yeah. I do it for Zayda, she know this straight, nigga. Yeah. You always favor, you either pay, nigga.
So as you can see, I mean, she works. So I mean, it's better than riding around with nothing. Like I said, it was just sitting in the garage, so I figured I'm like, whatever, just hook it up. I was kind of free this weekend, so well, that's gonna do it. If you have any questions or need any help hooking up an amp, or I mean, it's simple. It's just every little road I ran into last night, it was just, like I said, trying to run it from the passenger side, it took like an hour, and realized that wasn't gonna work. And then having wire too short, I ended up having to rerun the remote wire, and then I lost the fuse cap. So I'm just like, oh my god, I gotta hear it today. So I was determined to get it done today. So well, that's gonna do it for another budget build video. So go ahead and hit that like, share, subscribe button if you'd like to see more. I mean, I got another video coming on this car. It's not such a good video about it, but that's gonna be coming, so go ahead and stay tuned to that, and I'll see you next time. Peace.